Who would say that in less than 30 minutes you will end up with one perfect looking recipe? This is not only yummy and delicious, but it has a variety of my favorite Mediterranean flavors. Crunchy and flaky puff pastry, creamy filling with cheese and sour cream, and a final touch from the fresh salad with arugula, cherry tomatoes, and olives. A winning combination of flavors, especially for the pickiest eaters. So let me show you how to make these Mediterranean tarts. First, you need to make the filling for the Mediterranean tarts. In a bowl, add in the sour cream and season with salt and pepper and oregano. Finally, chop spring onions and add them to the bowl alongside with grated cheese. Mix well until combined and add a little bit of olive oil if desired and set aside. Dust the working surface with a little bit of flour and roll out the puff pastry. Cut in shapes as you desired, but I choose the shape to be rectangle, and with sharp knife score each piece of pastry just like that, being careful not to cut the pastry but only to score it gently. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want the sides of the pastry to rise and to have a little hole in the middle to place my Mediterranean salad. Crack and whisk the egg with the help of a fork and gently brush the sides of the pastry. It will give a nice golden brown color after baking. In the middle, add the filling, being careful not to cover the scored sides of the pastry. Gently spread the filling in the center of the pastry. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pastries. And bake them in already preheated oven at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius degrees for about 20 minutes or until golden brown in color. Meanwhile, we can prepare the salad. In a bowl, loosen up the arugula, cut the cherry tomatoes in half and transfer them to a bowl. Finally, add in the olives. Season with olive oil, oregano, salt and pepper to taste, and mix well. When the pastries are done, let them rest for about 2 to 3 minutes at room temperature and serve in plate. On top of each tart, place some of the arugula salad, and the salad gives freshness to this dish. And to make it even tastier, sprinkle some crumbled gorgonzola cheese on top. Who would say that this elegant looking meal can be ready in no time? If you follow my foolproof steps from this recipe, you will amaze everyone with this Mediterranean meal that is perfect for this time of the year. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. The links you will find in the description box below. Have fun cooking until the next time.